Buddy Talks, where we talk about life, love, struggles, and inspiration. Today with us, we have Daryl D'Souza. We have Pratik Satateka and Bradley D'Souza. So how are you all guys?
Doing fabulous.
तो जोर से बोल. थोड़ा जोर से बोल. जोर से बोल, like बोल.
Guys, I'm amazing.
हम लोग कल ही मिले, तो ऐसा कोई difficult part नहीं है. So the topic for today is the favorite topic that we all have grown with. It's relationships and breakups.
तेरे को कुछ गाना याद नहीं आ रहा है इसमें?
गाना तो बहुत सारे याद आ गए. एक तो गाना हो जाए ना. हाँ क्या बोलते हैं?
कौन सा
हम लोग ने कौन सा गाना सोचा तो
क्या
हुआ तेरा वादा वो कसम वो इरादा
कॉपीराइट आएगा पहले इस पे.
दिल जिसने
अरे पहले इस पे कॉपीराइट आने वाला है.
वो दिन जिंदगी का आखिरी दिन होगा क्या हुआ तेरा वादा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन प्लीज. नहीं तो बहुत आगे बढ़ेंगे हम लोग.
Okay, so just wanted to ask you all. So you all have been into relationships in past. You all have been with someone special who you always thought that this person would be with me throughout my life, and I'm gonna spend my life with this person. But somehow the other way, someone किसी को पसंद आया, कभी तुम्हारे फ्रेंड को पसंद नहीं आया, कभी peer pressure में तुमने डेट किया, है ना? मतलब just because friends were dating around, you felt like you wanted someone to be around you, and that's how things started, but it didn't work out somehow the other, क्योंकि breakup के बारे में बात करने गए. So but did you learn through this whole thing about breakups, and did you learn something like from it? Did you learn something from breakups?
Why only me? Pratik.
हाँ चल प्रतीक बोल. मतलब तेरे को क्यों लगता है कि चला नहीं रिलेशनशिप?
हाँ रिलेशन चला नहीं मतलब वो दो तरह के पहलू है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लाइक अगर कपल we as a couple we need to understand कि भाई first of all there are three aspects: trust factor, honesty, and very important space, time space जो भी बोलते हैं, that should be there.
True.
Which was not there in my relation or whatever, because of this reason you can see the divorce rate what is happening in India. जो divorce rate बहुत
शादी नहीं की है,
शादी नहीं करे because see क्या हो रहा है कि अभी जब हम relation में रहते हैं so definitely we go and for marriage. So after marriage we understand कि भाई ये हमसे नहीं जम रहा है. ये the relationship is not working out. Maybe because of time, maybe because of honesty amongst each other, or trust factor. So because of that reason वो उसके बाद वो breakup हो रहा है. It might be in relation also, it might be whether you're married.
पर तू सीखा क्या? क्वेश्चन ये था कि तू सीखा.
मैं बहुत सीखा हूँ.
MBA किया.
That was nice. MBA तो करा हूँ मैं definitely. लेकिन सीखा तो जरूर तो उसमें क्या है कि भाई whatever ना मेरे जो रिलेशन में मैंने जो सीखा है, अगर मैं किसी चीज को चाहता हूँ, फॉर एग्जाम्पल लाइक आई वांट टू डू समथिंग, सो आई हैव टू डू इट. आई शुड नॉट बी कॉम्प्रोमाइजिंग माई सेल्फ बिकॉज ऑफ वन पर्सन. दैट आई हैव लर्न एंड दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर मी. Okay, dancing is my passion, so I would love to be into dancing, be around socializing. So I'm that kind of person.
Bradley.
क्या बोलते हैं?
Clap for him.
So what do you do? What
He's
is
part of the weekend go home. He spoke.
He spoke for the whole show.
He go now.
Some questions का answer दे दिया उसने.
No more questions.
What else? So Bradley is married. So any girls, if you're thinking of being around Bradley, talk to Angel.
Okay, Angel.
For now, I'm
but
still there to socialize.
But as in, what have you till before marriage? So you've been dating you've been around with girls.
Yeah, I've been around with a lot of women.
I want to know the
I have
numbers.
negativities about my past, about the relations I've had. Everything just came by, just went by. It was beautiful. I don't have anything to hold against. Nobody to hold
Good,
against.
that's good.
With.
Forgiveness, sounds good.
So it's been a joy ride so far.
Forgiveness, no. They should forgive him.
That's the point, my friend. So yeah, I have. I mean, it's been good. I mean, whatever has happened has obviously been a growth to the next one, and then it's just followed on. That's how I look at things. If you ask me what I've learned, obviously there's a lot that we've learned, you know, by the mistakes that we've done. And obviously, when you move to the next step, when you move to the next level, probably with somebody else new, you know, you want to make the things better. Whatever you made a mistake with, try and rectify it. Because if you don't rectify, you know, you're not moving ahead in life. So I've done that. I've brought a lot of changes, and it's helped me.
Helped you.
Yeah.
And we can see that.
Proud of you.
So what do you think? What have you learned through this whole love saga of relationships? And all? You have had breakups, right?
Many. So.
रो मत आ लेकिन अभी
uh,
अभी जोर से बोल पागल.
I don't know, yeah. It was just a journey to, like, there are good memories and bad memories, and I'm sure I'm still dealing with some of them, and you know, so मैं क्या बोलूं? It's like for me it's like a mixed emotion.
Okay.
So it's bad and good. That's it. मैं ज़्यादा नहीं बोलूँगा, like बोलने के लिए मैं बहुत बोल सकता हूँ, but I would just say it's
But in this whole relationship thing,
I learned good things, I learned bad things also.
That's it. But do you, in this whole relationship, do you hate any of your women?
Yes.
Have you ever been two-timed by any woman?
Yes! Same in yes. No? Two what? I mean?
Two-time.
Obviously.
अभी three time है मेरे को पता नहीं, लेकिन मैं two-time at least बोल सकता
ये भी
हूँ.
बोलना पड़ेगा.
अभी ये जो
तो फिर कैरेक्टर सेटिंग हम लोग का बात ही
ऐसा
करना पड़ेगा.
जनरली इतना ही है. But two-time, has any of the girls two-time? मेरे को तो हुआ है. मेरे को तो हुआ है. Two-time. 3 times हुआ है.
इससे क्या पता चलता है?
लेकिन हाँ, मतलब हुआ है तेरे को कभी किसी लड़की ने टू टाइमिंग किया तेरे साथ?
नहीं, मेरे साथ तो नहीं.
तूने किया है?
नहीं, मैंने भी नहीं किया है. लेकिन आई हैड अ नाइस रिलेशनशिप. मैं ऐसा नहीं बोलूँगा कि भाई कुछ गलत हुआ है, कुछ बुरा हुआ है, या कुछ और भी बुरा होने वाला था. लेकिन इट वॉज नाइस, सेटल, और जो भी रिलेशन ब्रेकअप हुआ है वो अच्छी तरह से सॉर्ट आउट करके रिलेशन हुआ है. तो I'm not against those girls at all. So yeah, I'm happy. Whatever.
Forgiveness.
Not forgiveness, but it's okay. I'm happy.
Don't you think among both of us, like one good boy sitting with us and we are both bad people, no?
हाँ, ये
इसको ये एंजल का क्राउन देता थोड़ा प्लीज.
So what do you think? Before settling down as a partner, is it really necessary to go into a live-in relationship with a partner, travel with a partner? Are those things, do you think, how it helps a person to know about a partner? What do you think?
I feel it makes sense because obviously in the kind of place that we come from, you know, obviously first we're with our parents and we don't know much because all our lives we've traveled with them. Okay, so obviously when you get a girl, you want to do something new, you want to try something new, you want to travel that person and I believe living with somebody, getting to know that person in depth. So what happens is you try to be that grown up. You know, first thing is we take the role of being a grown up, being with another woman, handling everything, handling the situation. And I guess that is what helps us, you know, get to a level that we are today. Like I'm a married guy today. So I'm able to understand all of that in my you know, right now in my existence of my marriage is for the fact that I've gone through all of that in my past. So how to be with a woman when you're out all alone? There's nobody. There's no elders who look at you, you know, and things like that. So.
But you don't have to be you don't have to be living. You can even you can say you can spend more time. Spending time or having conversation, maybe sense or nonsense, also is important because if you try to just have a decent time always, and you know, and when you're not, I'm not just show the good side, show the bad side also, because when you're not that side, then she'll say, oh, like, I don't know this guy, or this is not there.
It should be basically, you have to be that person who you are, and who you
do
will
shit, you must do it on a face, like,
on
you know?
a face, whatever it might be.
Whether you get drunk or you fire bad words, you don't have to just
don't control yourself.
Yeah, just be whatever.
Well, I also feel, but truly, but then also I feel that when you are in a relationship with your partner, live-in is something I would suggest. If people would like to live in a relationship, मतलब तुमको जाना है relationship में तुम जा सकते हो. Traveling मेरे को लगता है really, क्योंकि traveling तेरे को also shows that how strong the person mind is. देख प्रो जब हम लोग जब भी अपने पार्टनर को मिलते हैं हम लोग कैसे वी आर है ना अभी तू सोच इमेजिन कर हम लोग जैसे ऑफिस गया तू घर है घर एक वो जगह है जिधर तू अपना सब इनहैबिट मतलब तू अपने आप को सब दुनिया क्लचेस से यू आर फ्री तेरा शॉट्स उधर है so but that is also a part of life
No,
तू देखता है
I will give a good example. Like, would you buy a car without knowing its features?
Oh.
So now, if you want to buy a car, you don't buy a car for like 1-2 years. You will look it for the long term, right? 10-15 years. So definitely, test drive lega, features digega, you know.
So what do you guys think before when you all before settling down in a relationship? Do you really think is it really necessary that you go into a live-in relationship or you should travel with the person to know the person better? You know हम लोग वो हमारी जनरेशन में है ना कि you need to spend some time बाहर जाना चाहिए फ्रेंड्स ने अप्रूव करना चाहिए अप्रूव भी नहीं मतलब how they get along are those things really important before getting into a marriage? What do you think? Like is it really necessary?
So let's look in a way. I mean, we've been friends for a quite a long time, right? So all our girls have come around. They've known our friends. They've got to get to know each other, right? So I believe.
First, the friends was like her.
First comes the friends. Then comes the family, right? Then comes the family. So the friends have always come around, enjoyed. As long as there's a big group, it is always bonus. I feel it's important, yeah. I mean, come on, how can we not bring people around? You just don't expect people to get like like an arranged marriage. Yeah, things don't work that way. So you meet the girl for the first time, you go out for the first time, you stay with them for the fucking first time. You don't know how things are. Right. So I feel, as you said, Glenn, the question to your, the answer to your question would be simple. That I guess it's important to know somebody, be with that person, also travel with that person, and I think that can lead to a fruit.
But what if they don't have money?
What if?
Big question.
And how they'll travel?
Huh?
What is the...
Traveling doesn't mean, as in what I feel what he's saying is traveling doesn't mean that you need to go abroad. But basic traveling होता है.
Go to the
Example
beach,
say also trekking.
sunsets.
I really feel trekking is one of the aspects where you can get a lot of get to know a lot of things about your partner.
But I don't think you don't think so. This is like not because if she's not an adventurous person, doesn't mean she's a
Maybe,
good.
correct.
She's not a bad person.
Yeah.
She might have her own passion.
about
hobby.
it.
So you can't outdoor.
नहीं
she might be
इसका
a-
ये नहीं
No,
बोल
no,
रहा
why only traveling you take into consideration? That is, see, I'll tell you one thing. There are many aspects.
Yeah.
Okay, we need to understand
She may
what
cook
she
good
likes.
food.
Yeah, good food. That is also there.
Yeah.
I don't like traveling.
Saving
Frankly
the cost of
speaking.
eating outside.
Frankly speaking, I don't like traveling. So that partner, she might be like
Yeah.
liking traveling.
But
So-
she must not to drink.
drink. no.
And how she'll give company then?
Last podcast.
Matlab, all the guys will go out. But the ladies will be at home. Huh?
Okay, that's it.
हाँ तो मैं वही बोल रहा था कि तेरे सुख में भी वो चाहिए तेरे दुख में भी वो चाहिए.
Correct.
That is very important.
ये
Okay.
तो चूक. चूक मतलब mistake.
Mistake.
It's the one and only Digo Double G.
चूक नहीं तो दुख और चूक. You know what चूक Glenn?
तो मैं वही बोल रहा था
इसको
दुख
देखो.
में भी चाहिए सुख में भी चाहिए
ये तो
and as
नहीं
he said
करते
as he said
अरे
that
मजाक कर रहा हूँ ना.
अरे उसको बोलने देना वो देखो
अरे इतना
बोल
कर
रहा
रहा
नहीं है बोल
मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि okay let me
और चिल कर बोल एक सिप मार
तो मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ कि you want your partner दोनों इसमें चाहिए मतलब सुख में और दुख में भी as he said that सुख में भी चाहिए मिस्टेक ओके दैट्स पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ लाइफ लेकिन क्या हो रहा है कि अगर मैं ट्रैवलर नहीं हूँ इफ आई एम नॉट अ ट्रैवलर ओके if I'm not a traveler okay I won't expect the same thing from my partner okay अभी क्या हो रहा है कि she might be a fun loving person I might not be a fun loving person तो वो भी एक्सपेक्ट रह सकता है she wants to do cooking in the kitchen or she might she loves painting which I don't like it she won't like to dance okay that is also another aspect but apart from this what is a same quality what we have it अगर हाँ भाई मंदिर में जाएंगे फॉर एग्जाम्पल गो इन द टेम्पल और
Gamble?
टेम्पल टेम्पल में जाएंगे, so we might go over there, so that might be a good connection. We might have that good
He is full
connection.
bind about Shadi.com. Guys, if you want to marry a person, Pratik is ready. Okay, in your suk and duk.
इतना कहाँ से बस रात को क्या सोता
नहीं, no, but this is a fact.
प्रैक्टिस कर रहा था
नहीं, this is a fact. What I'm saying, this is a fact. अगर तू
तेरा डायलॉग मारो क्या कार क्या
Yeah.
बिफोर डैरल ने प्रैक्टिस कर गया कार
So, yeah.
प्रोवर्ब
You will not buy a car without knowing its features or taking a test drive.
Correct.
So exactly. Once you like the car, and you would definitely go for it. So you will not just see the shape of the car or the color of the car and say, "Let me buy this
तो
car."
तूने
right?
कितना कार्स का टेस्ट ड्राइव लिया
Because see, models keep on changing, no, bro. How you don't change your phone? Huh? Then I want to buy a sensible, like the bestest.
Bestest. Yeah.
Bestest.
Yeah. So that means you want Lamborghini.
No, Lamborghini इधर नहीं चलेगा.
इधर नहीं चलेगा?
इधर सब this what is that?
Speed breaker.
The
Speed
speed
breaker में
breaker.
लगेगा.
तो SUV चलेगा.
So comparing to our generation, okay, comparing the generation to our parents and us, in fact our grandfathers also, is it really being or taking all the technologies inside? मतलब is it really difficult to find a partner or is it very easy to find a partner? But ये मैं इसमें बोल रहा हूँ कि relationship sustain करने में भी कितना ये टेक्नोलॉजी का हाथ है या इज इट गुड और बैड, वैसे मैं पूछ रहा हूँ. मतलब अगर ये रिलेशनशिप है तो कैसे उसको पूरा.
See, I think we need to say that first of all, as you said, our generation, we need to say one thing is that we're blessed for the fact that what we can do in the past, our families couldn't do. You see, they came up in a background wherein they were within their four walls, while we left those four walls and we found somebody else's four walls. You understand what I'm trying to say? So we were given that opportunity to go around, get to know people. Like you say, if you talk about a girl, coming out of the house for the first time, she'll have challenges. Okay, we may be free from our house, to get out and have fun, but she obviously faces a lot of challenges. But in today's world, it's all possible. And it's more easier. So like, coming back to a question, like you say, is it difficult or is it easy? I say it is pretty easy to get to know somebody, to spend time with the person, to get to know the person even more, because
but
only that will help you.
How
grow
does a
the future.
relationship last? मतलब do you also see it's good that it's easier to find a partner
Well,
these
yeah, it
days.
is.
bharatmatrimony.com है, Facebook है, Instagram है, 100 तरीके का चीज है, Tinder है, Binder है, सब है. लेकिन also with that,
I've not been on any of those.
but
yeah.
okay, but
iPhone का दुकान है.
He's iCloud. So but लेकिन इसके साथ what does also come is एक second.
हाँ.
So where also with that whole thing comes the other side of it.
That's what I wanted to pitch in over here.
Pitch मत कर.
नहीं, because
पैसे
I'm-
कर.
हाँ, मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, there are pros and cons of
हाँ,
it.
okay.
So you need to understand. अभी क्या होता है, filtration बहुत हो रहा है. Filtration बहुत हो रहा है. Facebook पे रहने दो, Insta पे रहने दो. You try to filter yourself the way you're not putting it. Why? Because there are 10,000 or millions of people who will be watching you.
पर अरे
हाँ,
मैं बोल रहा हूँ
लेकिन
कि
नहीं ये इसके बाद भी मैं बोल रहा हूँ क्यों क्या हो रहा है. नाउ अगर तुम जैसे हो वैसे रहना. ओके, अगर तुम इफ यू आर ट्राइंग टू इम्प्रेस वन गर्ल, यू विल बी डेफिनेटली, हाँ भाई मैं तो माचो मैन हूँ, मेरे पास गाड़ी है, मेरे पास पैसा है, लेकिन एक्चुअली ही डजंट हैव एनीथिंग.
तू गोवन से नॉर्थ इंडियन का बन जाता है. नॉर्थ
आई एम लाइक दिस ओनली ब्रो.
हाँ.
तो वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ. तो फिल्ट्रेशन बहुत है. देयर इज यस देयर इज एडवांटेज, क्योंकि मिल रहे दोनों बॉयज गर्ल्स, दे आर ट्राइंग टू मीट. देयर इज अ सोशल ऐप, डेटिंग ऐप आल्सो. तो मिल रहे हैं, ऐसा नहीं है, बट यू नीड टू सी द अदर साइड आल्सो, व्हिच आवर एंसेस्टर पीपल दे डिडंट हैव.
तो यही है मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि तेरे को क्या लगता
I
है.
would like to say, like, firstly, you must not be judgmental too fast, right? Because I might be wrong for many person, but I might be right for one person.
One individual.
Oh, I might do wrong to many person, but I'll do wrong.
I'll do good
for another person.
Okay.
That doesn't make me like a bad person,
bad
or
person.
it's just your circumstances or the way you were, or you were a little younger. You do shit, right? And you don't think about it. Then when maybe once you go to your late 30s, then you change yourself. You don't do what you have done, because that's all part and parcel of life.
Parcel of it.
So you
Like
can't.
in his case, he's not done any of those things actually. He's not learned from anything.
Yeah. So I would not say right partner by calling it a right partner or right. That's not not the right thing. I say
Actually,
everyone's
no one
it's
is
just
right
how,
with it.
yeah, it's just how you want to make it right or wrong.
Correct.
You know, everyone's good. Like you know, you can't judge and say that she's not the person for you, or I'm not the person for her. If I want to be a right person, I have to change or I have to compromise, or she may say vice versa, something. So you know, making sense? Cheers.
Thank you so much for being here. The first episode. Hope you like it, and we are
Yes.
gonna come with more episodes.
Absolutely.
If you like this thing, you can suggest us with more videos. What kind of topics do you want us to cover? And that's it, guys. Thank you so much. Please do like and share and subscribe our channel, and follow them on Instagram. I shall put it soon
please
on
like,
the
share.
Please, guys.
follow करो जल्दी.
Thank you so
Subscribe
much.
करो. चलो, thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.